How to find account privacy settings on Instagram Lite. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to find account privacy settings on Instagram Lite. First, then open Instagram Lite and now just click on your profile here in the bottom corner and then click these three lines in the top corner, and here you will find settings and then click privacy, and then this one account privacy, and here we'll find privacy account settings. You can disable it or enable it. That's it, just by one click, and then go back. And that's it for today's video. Don't forget like and don't forget subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.